Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Splitgate game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box. Then you can type in Splitgate to begin your search, and once you find the game, just click on it. This will then take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Click on the Add to Library button to add this game to your collection. And now you can just click on the Play Game or the Play Now option to begin the installation. Just choose your install location and click on the Install button. And once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Splitgate game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Splitgate game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.